कृष्णापल्ली या कोई जगह गया था। क्यों गया उसको पता नहीं। सीधा उनके थोड़ी देर के बाद अगर कृष्णापल्ली जाऊँगा है तो बस का टिकट ले लिया, वहाँ गया। वहाँ ढूंढते ये राम स्वामी अय्यर कहाँ पर है, किसी से पूछा तो उसने किसी ने बता दिया यहाँ पर है। तो वहाँ चला गया। अरे देखते ही उसका चेहरा देख के, तुम उसका ग्रैंडसन हो क्या? उसने कहा हाँ, हाउ डू यू नो? यू आर एग्जैक्टली लाइक हिम। आई वाज ट्राइंग टू फाइंड योर ग्रैंडफादर्स हाउस, इट लुक्स लाइक यू चेंज्ड द होम एंड आई कुडंट फाइंड यू। हाँ करके बिठाया तो अंदर से जाके एक एनवेलप लाया, 25,000 रुपीज़ उसमें रखा था। आई ओ दिस टू योर ग्रैंडफादर एंड आई कुड नॉट गिव इट टू हिम, नाउ दैट यू कम आई गिव टू यू।
Wow.
मुझे कैसे पता था? His grandfather said go and get this money.
Wow.
प्राणायाम करने से ये सब उसको आ गया है। He wrote it in newspaper, this is what happened.
So ये subtle है या ये scientifically explain कर सकते हैं? From brain cells you're saying our grandparents.
Memory bank
Okay.
opens up when you hold the breath outside for a long time. Memory banks open up and you know so many things which you didn't know.
So his grandfather had actually not told him. It was just by doing pranayama he perceived.
He never met his grandfather.
Oh,
तो उसको मिला भी नहीं।
oh, he just perceived it. Awesome.
He just went to Krishnapalli, I don't know why. उसे खुद पता नहीं। चलो कृष्णा पीछे जाते हैं।
Oh,
वहाँ चला गया।
Tulsi, you meditate? Do you promote meditation?
But not just meditation. प्राणायाम करके करो तो तब बात। लास्ट वाला जो शवासन में लेट जाते हैं, दैट फैंटास्टिक मेडिटेशन। हर प्राणायाम के सेट के बाद मेडिटेट करने को बोलते हो। मेडिटेट ऑन द ब्रेथ। Breath becomes subtler and subtler and subtler until no breath comes. That is the best stage of pranayama. So I was confronted by a doctor in our public park where I was giving lecture. So he raised his hand. I said, yes, what do you want? You are saying everything wrong to people. I said, please come here, correct us. If we are saying wrong, we will like to correct it. So then he introduced himself. I am K. Shankaran, cardiologist practicing in Matuna for last 16 years, and whatever you are saying to people is wrong. I said these germs do not cause disease, germs are the products of disease. So that's wrong. He says we have proved it in the laboratory. Malaria germs cause malaria, diphtheria germs cause diphtheria, cholera germs cause cholera, and so many different diseases have been identified. I said, oh really, if that is true, we should change ourselves. But before I do that, can I ask you a question? Shoot, he said. I didn't know what question to ask him. So initially I asked a silly question. Doctor, if there is a cause and if there is an effect, is it necessary that in every case the cause has got to be there first and the effect has to come there? What a silly question. Cause means it has to be there first. Everybody knows that. Sorry for the silly question. Friends, doctor has confirmed that cause has got to be there first and effect has to come later. ये इसलिए क्यों कह रहा था रिपीट, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या पूछता है, आई डोंट नो. And then suddenly bulb blew. I knew the next question. Doctor, am I imagining or is it true that in every case of cholera, every case of malaria, every case of diphtheria, and every case of those blessed diseases which you were saying is caused by germs, is there a stage when the symptoms of the disease is present in a mild degree, but the germs are not yet present? Yeah, that's a called stage of predisposition. Oh, मैं खड़ा हो गया.
Predisposition.
stage of predisposition.
Then I stood up. Friends, I said, stop it. He says, give me the application for your training course. Took the paper, walked out. It just went up.
So this itself was a proof, no, that the disease was existing before the germs came. The symptoms of disease was existing before the germs came. As the symptoms
In a mild degree.
in a mild degree, as the symptoms
germs were not
aggravated,
present.
yeah, that means the symptoms kept aggravating. That is when the germs
Are produced
are
out of
being
the
produced out of the, oh right,
Toxin.
out of the
How does this win our case? Like when you are saying that germs are not the causes, germs are the products of the diseases, and so what should we do?
Take care of our biochemistry.
You are consuming disease. Disease is accumulation of things in your body. Then disease goes away.
disease is accumulation of filth. Yeah, disease is accumulation of filth. So
Yeah.
just remove the filth, disease is gone.
They have to feed on filth. मल बाहर बहुत देर रह जाता तो उसमें कीड़े आते हैं.
Yeah, correct.
आपने इम्यूनिटी का बहुत अच्छा बोला था.
Yes.
मेरे को स्टिक नहीं किया. अगर आपके पास समय है तो एक बार फिर से बोलिएगा प्लीज. आपने एक्सप्लेन किया था इम्यूनिटी का वो कॉन्सेप्ट. आई थिंक.
So that same doctor came to the course and joined the course, and in the end of the course, the valedictory function हुआ था. About 200 people, 4 centers में था ना. Morning in Chowpatty, and then Grand Center, Matunga, Daga. 4 जगह classes होता था, 1 घंटे का class. After that 1 month course, everybody comes in the Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan for congregation, and we give them certificate. उस दिन डॉक्टर ने वो स्पीच में बताया. Dr. Arun Sharma opened my eyes to the fact that entire medical field is based on false supposition.
Oh, very genuine doctor.
Yeah.
Genuine doctor. Many of them wouldn't even agree.
And then he said, all the medications are given to kill the germs, but we are injecting them into the body, and they are toxins. Putting toxins in our body is not hygienic. Hygiene promotes health. That's what I learned in the scope training course, and this is an excellent course. I recommend everybody to join it, recommend to others as a basic for us. So there are opportunities when you are struggling to ask, अब क्या करें, challenge. Then if you practice pranayama, it comes to you. बाकियों को मत करो, एकदम question pop हो जाएगा. And you know what?
सिद्धीज आ जाएंगे. सिद्धि.
सिद्धीज आ जाते हैं.
बुद्धि को छेड़ो तो
सिद्धि
सिद्धि.
आएगी. तो आप ये कह रहे थे ना कि इम्यूनिटी की हमें ज़रूरत नहीं है.
Cleanliness.
हमें शरीर, ब्लड, माइंड को साफ रखना.
Disease is silly. Disease is our friend. Immunity to disease? Why? Disease is our friend. उसके लिए immunity नहीं चाहिए.
This is our friend. Why?
Because disease is the process of cleaning the body.
He said that is life telling you pay attention and clean it here.
Don't stop the disease with drugs or medicine or हल्दी डालते हैं उसको ये डालते हो जीवन वो herbs का medicine भी नहीं लेना. Don't stop the disease process. Allow it to continue. Clean your body. Take tonas, take sun bath, take do pranayama. All that is right. You are only cleaning your body, not killing the germs, not killing the symptoms. Don't stop that symptom. सर में दर्द हो रहा, सर दर्द कम करने के लिए दवाई खा लो. और you are killing yourself.
One more thing, digestion. When we are talking about digestion, usually मुझे क्या होता है? वेजिटेबल्स सब अच्छी तरह से डाइजेस्ट हो जाते हैं, लेकिन लीव्स जो आते हैं उसको मैं जब खाती हूँ, even if it is chopped, it doesn't get digested. It goes as it is.
सिर्फ ग्रीन लीव्स खा के देखो.
Okay. No, that's good. If I'm making it a paste or juice, no issues. लेकिन सब्जी भी डालते हैं ना, चॉप करके when we put it, then it goes as it is.
The color doesn't change,
No.
but it doesn't mean that it is not being absorbed.
So it will get absorbed.
try to examine the stools and see if it is that digestion?
No, that kind of.
वो करते हैं ना?
I won't go for those. Lab test and all, I will not know.
Urine test, feces test सब करते हैं.
आप अनार के
गुरुजी,
जूस
that
को
could-
मानते हैं?
that-
अनार का जूस अच्छा मानते हैं?
That could also be because of not chewing well. That's why it has gone in.
Retaining it in the mouth for a longer time.
It would have digested.
First part of digestion is done in the mouth. Mouth is a digestive organ, not just a gateway to send the
That is also possible in my case because usually what happens morning I will either hurry to finish everything 10:30 I have a call, so before that I have to finish everything. eat
War
the
zone.
breakfast.
Morning is a war zone.
Yeah.
War with food.
I'll calculate and I'll go and sit it there. So maybe because of that. Yeah.
अब यूनिट टीचर क्या पूछ रहे हैं?
कल नहीं